Welcome everyone to week 8. This is an explanatory video that you're watching in step 1 that explains what to do in this week's work. You are working fully online on your own today and you need to complete the 9 steps. You can see in blue step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. So please follow the steps, do the work. Please make sure you complete all the exercises and upload them by midnight, Wednesday the 30th of December. I can then mark you present for the week 8. So you're watching this explanatory video at step 1. Let me take you to step 2 and show you what you need to do. You have a link to a web page. The company is Seek. They help people to find jobs. So let's open that and have a look. You can see that there is reading for you here to understand what is a resume. This is in its own pop-up box, so you can expand that and read it. When you are finished, you can click it, you can use the X to exit, or you can minimize. If you minimize, it's just down at the bottom of your toolbar. Okay, so then you can open the H5P activity. This is also in its own pop-up box, so you can open that and complete the activities. This first one is to fill in the missing words. So you will need to read the Seek web page to be able to answer these questions. So you can put in your answers and then you can check and then you can retry again. That will all help you to learn about resume writing. Then this blue box here on the right takes you to the next activity where you will drag and drop words into the spaces. Again, you can check your answers and you can try again. With the blue arrow to the next activity and to the next. Now at this point you can see that is the end. Because this is in a pop-up box, you can simply click the X and it will take you back to the Moodle page. Step 3 is a video about a woman called Esther who is looking for a job. And so the video is inside this H5P link. So open the H5P link. Again, you can see it's in its own box. Here is the video. So you watch that video and then you open and complete the quiz. So again, some drag and drop activities, some fill in the missing word activities, again by dragging and dropping, true or false, and then a piece of writing for you. Now when you check, they will give a solution here, but the idea is to have a go yourself. And then a multiple choice, another multiple choice, another multiple choice. Now, at this point, you have finished. So because this opened in its own pop-up box, you can simply close and you're back at the Moodle page. So that's step 3. Step 4, there is another link to a video. I won't show you that now. You can open that yourself. But what I will show you is what you have to do after you watch the video, which is a discussion forum. So let's open that. I want you to write about your strengths. This is a really important step where you have to really think, what am I good at? What is it about my experience in life or just my personality or my interests? What are things about you that your employer would say, oh, I like that, I want this person to work for me? So to help you do this, there are 3 questions to answer. So you click to add a new discussion. You put your name and the topic, my strengths, here in the subject bar, and you answer these 3 questions in the box here. So if you wanted to, you could perhaps copy that, paste it there, and then you can answer there. Now remember to post to forum. Because this is not in its own pop-up box, you will need to click twice on the left, and that will take you back to our Moodle page. So that was step 4. All right, step 5 is another explanation video, so you'll be able to click on that and I will explain to you assessment 2 and how to do it, and I'll show you these. I'll open these documents and step you through. Step 6, this is where the 4 jobs, the job advertisements, this is where they are. You read these 4 and you must choose one job advertisement that you are going to apply for. And then in the worksheet, you answer questions to analyze your job. And you save that to your computer and you submit it here to the Turnitin link. Remember, everything's due by midnight 30 December. At step 7, there is another video and a quiz, again about writing a resume. At step 8, this is your exit ticket. So let me step you through that. I'll open the exit ticket document. Now, you always enable editing so that you can save this to your computer. And you can see the 9 steps here on the sheet. So when you complete an activity, you can copy and paste the tick to show you've completed it. And over here on the right, I want you to rate the level of difficulty of each task. So if it was easy, you would put 1. But if you found perhaps the reading, it was a little bit more difficult, you might put 3. And then you complete this whole sheet. Remember to save it, and then you can submit it to the Turnitin link at step 8. And here we are back at step 8. Step 9 is your homework. This is what you do after class. And you have your assessment 2, the resume. Remember, that's worth 5%. And you have your homework. So for assessment 2A, the resume, I've provided you with these documents, and here is the link, again, by midnight 30th of December. So at step 5, I will tell you more about this. And then you have your homework, which is another video about a person trying to pitch their product idea. And then there is a quiz. All right, so welcome. I hope you will enjoy week 8. Remember, week 9 is a study break, so there is no class in that week. And then in week 10, I see you back in our Zoom class on Thursday the 7th of January, and we have our normal Zoom class. So all the very best. If you have any questions, you can always send me an email or a WeChat message, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I can. So I'm wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please stay safe, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you in week 10. All the best. Bye-bye.